Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your bank account to Binance. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are using the desktop version. We are in Binance.com. What we want to do is on the top right hand side, we'll see our profile picture. If you are using the mobile app, you will find that the Binance icon on the top left hand side will give you these options. You want to come down and you want to look for account. All right, so if you're using the mobile app, you want to look for settings. And then once you have found settings, you will find account. On the desktop version under account, you will find payment. So what you need to do is go and look for payment. So let's go tap on that. Right over here, you will see it'll take a few seconds and you'll see it says P2P payment method. So there's nothing here currently. We're going to go to the right hand side, make sure that it is on P2P and not on buy crypto. We're going to tap on add a payment method. Now, of course, if you have not yet verified your account, you need to do an identity verification. If you haven't done it yet, you're going to have this prompt and click on verify so that you can actually use your Binance account. Over here, you're going to set your payment method. So you are going to choose your payment method. Here, you are going to choose your bank account. Okay, so whatever your bank account is in whatever region you're in. So let's just say for me, it is Absa Bank. You can go and search for it. You'll find one or two options. Choose generally the top option. Here you are going to enter your full name, your bank account number, and tap on confirm. You will then be forwarded to a page where you enter additional details and your payment method. Having your bank account connected to your Binance account will be added. I hope this was helpful.